Hello everyone, today we're going to analyze the automation module of OCA. This module was developed last year with the funding of a Spanish association by Dick Smith. The module is a tool that helps business automate repetitive tasks. Its main features is that it allows us to trigger actions based on conditions like the state of the sale order or how a field is written down or something like that. These triggers will launch customized actions like sending notification, updating fields, or creating new records. Also, these actions can be we can filter how and when they will be run and by flexible conditions. And the best part of it is that we are not going to use any coding for this because everything is configured directly on the user interface. This will reduce manual effort, minimize errors, and improve efficiency. Some of the cases that we could see this automation module would be, for example, for setting automatic email notifications. For example, once we confirm an invoice. Also, we could use that to update the status orders and send notifications to the users. And we could use that also to create follow-up tasks on our team members. So the first part of this would be to see how this works. Let's dive on it. So once we have this automation module, we will have a new app on our Odoo, and there we can define the workflows. Let's start with one related to sale orders. Sale order, and will be like checking lost sale orders. So what's the idea of this workflow? We will try to check when a sale order has been on draft state for too much time and try to warn everyone about it. So on the state, status is it has been sent, but we haven't received no answer from our customer. And we will start creating tasks for it. So the first thing that we could do would be to send an email to our customer, but we will not send it once we detect that the state has been sent. We will do it like 6 days later, or 7 days later. It's just 1 week later. It means that we have received no confirmation or cancellation of the sale order during this period. So it would be why it is cancelled. We will send an email that we will resend the notification to our customer. Save and close. And now we could do several things. For example, if the email is answered, and we have this option, it's opened, sorry, we could do an activity to the it's to call the customer and say to this user, to the specific user, no, to the generic user, and it's the user, the responsible user, to confirm user, read it, contact him as soon as possible. But this will only have sent for like 7 days. Why we are doing this? Because the other thing would be if the mail has not been opened and the quotation is already on the draft on the sent state, we will do a new activity, and it will be to call the customer also. But this activity would be contact the user as the customer he is not receiving it, and it will be done also by the user or the responsible user of our record. So we could do other actions like once we confirm an activity, do another action. We could also, I mean, it should be done 7 days later. I forgot to do that. And but we could do other options like once we have received a reply, or if there is no reply, if they clicked anywhere on any link on there, if it was not clicked, or even if we had if it was bounced, or directly after some time. So now that we have done this, we can make it periodic, so the system will find automatically the new records to fetch, and we can start. In this case, we will enforce the generation because otherwise we need to wait, and we don't want to do that right now. So a new record has been generated, and it's like, and the email is scheduled for right now. But as you know, we will force it right now just to see that everything is working fine. So now, if we go to sale order, we can see that a new email has been sent right now about this. So it's okay. And we can see that we have two possible actions that might happen at some point. The first one is contact the customer if he's not receiving it, and that might happen in next week. Or if it is opened, it will start automatically this one. In this case, we will assume that nothing happened in 7 days. So automatically this task will be executed, and we would see on the sale order that a new action has been set. It's like call for Michael Admin, as Michael Admin is the salesperson of this sale order. So I hope that this video has helped you get information about this module. You should see that this module has other options there, and actually there are other integrations working on it. So, for example, we have an integration with WhatsApp and Telegram to send everything by this means, and we also have we are working on a module that will allow us to send documents to sign by the user using the sign module of OCA, and might also check if the document has been signed or if it has not been signed, and that would be really interesting. I hope to see your comments if you have any doubts or you want to see more tutorials related to automation. See you soon.